Hello beauties, and welcome back to the Bumpy Bones Locksport channel. This is my second submission video for my purple belt, and I have an Agent LS5 here that we are going to pick open and gut. Now I already did a video picking open the Agent LS5 here, so I'm just going to get right into picking and gutting. So let's get started. Alright, so show that the lock works. Oops. Alright. And let's get started here. Alright, I'm going to use my Multipicks. Alright, so there's one. Oops. 2. 3. 4. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and there we go. So we are open, so we can see. Alright, so I want to be real careful here because I do not want to leave frame with the lock, so we're going to put the lock over there. I'm going to clear my space here. Alright. Oops. Alright. And here we go. Now I made a special follower for the gutting of this. So let's go ahead and flip this over. I've got my screws here. Go ahead and remove our retention screws, being careful not to over rotate, because I don't want to use the key to remove this, because I want to just pull the core up. Give that a try. That way I don't accidentally drop pins. Alright, so there we go. Alright, so as we can see, we are open. And what I want to do is have our fowler. So what I did with my fowler was I just bought a 12mm brass rod, and I carved in the middle here. It didn't carve as straight as I want, but I can still work with this, I think. So I'm going to put this right in here like this. And what my goal is just to lift this up. Just like that. Alright, so we can put this over here now. So I'm going to do right, left. We've got 2 rows of pins here. So I'm going to go ahead and just drop this one here. Alright. We're going to drop the second one. We're going to drop our third one. We're going to drop our fourth one. We're going to drop our fifth one. And then we're going to drop pin number 6 on this side. Alright, so there are our right pins. Now we've got our left pins, so this side will be easier. Alright, so here are all of our key pins. And there's the core, so let's go ahead and put the core there. Alright, now let's go ahead and get our pins out here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the top here. I push this out, and we're going to try. Alright, so there's the, just rotate this around and not lose any pins. So there's one. Yeah, there's two. Oh my god, these springs are so small. Alright, rotate this around. Get the next one. Alright. Rotate this around. Get the next one. Oh, alright, there's the spring. If you want to get a heart attack, I mean, this is a good... The high pin count Dimple locks are definitely the ones you want to get, because this is extremely stressful. Alright, so there's that one. Spring. Alright. There's that one. It looks like the spring's stuck in there, so I'm not going to go and get the spring out. So there's number 4. Number 4. Alright, spring's stuck in the Bible with that one, so I'm not going to get that out. Alright, so there's number 5. With a spring. Number 5. With a spring. Alright, 2 more. 2 more, 2 more. We can do this. There's number 6. With a spring. And number 6 with a spring. Alright, awesome. Oh my god, I was going to have a heart attack with this one. Alright, so let's take a look at our pins here. So here are the pins that were on the right-hand side. So we can see with our security pins, we got these nice little mushroom pins. And then our pins on the left-hand side, got our key pins, and then our pins that have our nice little security mushroom pins here. So I just want to make sure that we can see all of them. There you go. And again, let's go ahead and just make sure that we have all the right ones here. There we go. All right. So now I gotta get this thing back together, but I'm going to do that later because it's going to be a pain in the butt. But I hope everybody enjoyed this video. As always, like and subscribe, and I hope everybody has a beautiful day, and I will see you all later.